Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 107, NASDAQ off 44, S&Ps are off 17, gold contract up $13.60, trading at $1,204 an ounce. Silver up 8 cents at $16.34 an ounce. Platinum up 10 at $1,233 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.90 a pound. Light sweet crude down $2.64 at $63.22 a barrel. Bonds. The ever-ready bond market, folks, had rejected lower price today, did it with lighter volume, and then took off topside. You get the 10-year up 9 ticks at 126.06. 30-year up a full point at 142.17. King dollar down 278 ticks. That's we're trading out at 89.29. That's after going to a higher high today. It is testing the 2008, 9, and 10 swing highs. The only one it hasn't hit yet is about 24 ticks away from one of them. Bottom line, we'll see whether she wants to go after it. The way the dollar has been trading, however, it's telling me that this is the topping out of the dollar. We'll see whether what type of a pullback we're going to get. The reason for that stands is specifically that they can't whack the gold market down. As the dollar kept getting into highs, gold refused to go to lower prices. As we moved through this trading day, gold actually got more strength. The equities got more strength. They want to go topside. Dollar wants to go downtown. S&Ps want to go downtown. Bonds want to go uptown. Euro up 39 ticks at 123.23. Yen is down 93 at 120.53. The yen goes along with that whole scenario too, folks. So it's pretty cool, all the different correlations that are taking place simultaneously. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. So in the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. We got a cash S&P right now at 2062. What we are going to have out here today is an expansion of volume as we have moving to lower price. Right now on the NYSE, we're at 495. That says it's going to come in about 800 million. On the NASDAQ, we're trading out volume-wise at 1.48. That means the NASDAQ's going to come in about 2 billion. So what you have here is that we are coming off the highs. You get an expansion of volume. If we go over to the NASDAQ, we take a look at the NASDAQ for a second. What you'll see inside the NASDAQ is down 45 bucks. You're into the swing point from the 1st of December. That low of that swing point is 47.24. We've hit 47.22. We're hitting that swing point with the expansion of volume. That's saying it's going to basically do a hammering into it. The composite, next stop will be for the composite to run down to the 46, 44 level. Dow Industrials. We take a look at the Dow. What we have with the Dow is this. Dow come off the high. Expansion of volume. You know, the first stop where the Dow wants to try to get into is 721. Right now we're at 849, down 100 bucks. Russell 2000, same deal with the Russell 2000. What you have with the Russell is the only one that had not got to its highs, folks. The highs in the Russell were generated out there in July 1st of 2014. Russell bottom line is coming off these highs out here today with a small expansion of volume. Now, let's go over to the XLE for a second. Well, actually, yeah, let's go to gold. We go to the gold market first. It's what you have. Gold out a rejected lower price, had lighter volume in the rejection. Right now, you're up $14. This expansion actually started coming up late in the day. The expansion, we had on at 1350 hours. We went from 1194 to 1204. And that 1204 was coming into the downdraft that had been created on Friday, but they couldn't whack gold on Friday, and that was with the dollar index going to highs. If we go to the XAU and the HUI, both of those indices, okay, this is about as clean as you get. If you do get the gold report, you know, and the update today, bottom line is that when this is out in the morning, it's pretty amazing, actually, what the gold market, the XAU and the HUI were doing. They were coming into the November 14th sign of strength. They were doing it with dramatically lighter volume. They rejected that price. They're above that price right now. And what you have set up here is a small ABC structure on the way up. Well, actually, it's a fairly large ABC structure on the way up. We'll see how the XAU goes after this 75.27 area. Right now, you're at 71.03. We go to the HUI. We take a look at the HUI. The HUI right now is trading out at up 259. We are at 168.59. The B point on this is the 181.33. We'll see how that hits it, but it looks to me like in both cases that baby's going topside. Oil. We go take a look at the oil market. There's smoke in the oil market once again. Now, what you have here is this. Oil, first off, wanted to test its high volume low. It got into the high volume low, and it's trading below it right now. The high volume low was generated on December 1st. That's when we came down, big time volume, $63.72 we hit. We had done that with 504,000 contracts. Today we did 290. We're below that. That's saying that on a larger basis, I believe we get $55 coming at us. Let me just look at this again. So we get 80. In fact, I'm going to put this on a continuous contract. This oil is going to go a lot lower. So if we take a continuous contract, we'll put this on a weekly. Oh, man, that's vicious. Holy cow. Oh, I see what we got. Okay, that's how I was doing this. Okay, so we got 77. Oh, man, 87, 97, 107. Ooh. Okay, conservatively. Let me put this on a monthly for a second. Because I was just trying to do this conservatively, folks, and it was like it was coming in so low, it was hard to believe. Okay, so, okay, first leg down here, $54 in, so $55 on this contract. And where I'm going with the $55, folks, is this. $55 is the high of the December 08 lows. That's how dramatic this is. Now, check this out. This is what's amazing, too, is that bar, the high of that bar is $55. The low of that bar is $32.40. So if we get into that bar with expanded volume, just the price, never mind the volume, we get into that bar with expanded price, you'll go to the bottom of that bar. If we go to the XLE, we take a look at the XLE. XLE is under the October 15th swing point, and this October swing point is crucial to understand because the S&Ps, the Dow, the NASDAQ, it's all going down there. That is $77.51. In this case, and the XLE can bounce all the way up to 89. Comes back down, comes down with some juice. You're breaking that level right now, and what that sets up is, so you got $100, 77. I'm ballparking. It's at 23. Man, this is a big number. 90, 80, 70, $67. $67 is coming at us in the XLE. And inside that XLE, these babies are getting basically hit out here today. You get Exxon down $1.99. You get Schlumberger off $2.98. Oxy's down $4.60. Man, that thing is so volatile. It's amazing. Apache's off $4.05. ConocoPhillips is off $2.68. We go over to the, this is what has changed out here, too, by the way. You go over to the financials. The financials thus far, they're up 11 cents. The XLF, rather, we're at $24.93. The number to keep your eye on out here today is $24.91. If they can keep it over $24.91, you can keep the higher price. It goes under $24.91, that thing wants to go south and go south quick. That's on the daily. On the monthly, folks, the XLF is a mess. The XLF, last month we did 434 million shares. That was going into 5.7 billion. The XLF is not going anywhere. They're hanging it up there. It is staying up there. Bottom line, not enough juice. 10-year bond. We go take a look at the 10-year. What we have with the 10-year is this. 10-year bond today got down to a price point of 125.17. Rejected that lower price. We're trading at 126.06. The October 15th spike bar is 126.21. She's going to make her way inside there. It's the high of October 15th. These bonds want to get their head wrapped around. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back. Dow Industrials down 100 right now. NASDAQ's off 41. S&Ps are off 15.5. Gold is up 14.60. We're going to be right back.